Alright, quick look at our site. It's our neighbor's hookups right here and our neighbor's water. Morning.
Good morning.
This is the earliest start we've gotten in a long time.
Still not as early as we wanted it to be.
No.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Still only got 3 hours and 45 minutes of sleep.
Yeah.
Fun times. But we're headed to Disney, so that's going to keep me motivated.
Yep. Truck's gassed up.
Yep.
Van's gassed up.
And
I think we're ready to hook up.
Yep.
Got all the stabilizers. X-chocks are off. Got the wheel chocks back there and the Andersons on the other side. I think that's it. Kids are bundled up in the van, sitting over there all warm and toasty. There he goes. Should be nice and warm in there by now.
Come on, above up. There you go. Okay, be a good boy.
So Vector and I had a nice morning sunrise stroll along the water over there.
No alligators?
No alligators, but the swans were hanging out in the sun.
You can see the swans.
Yep. All right, so we're gonna get this thing hooked up.
Let's do it.
And then I think our first stop's about 90, maybe 100 miles away.
Is it?
Yeah.
St. Augustine?
No, we have to stop on this side of Jacksonville.
Oh, that's right. We're gonna stop there. That's right.
Yep.
Okay.
So the GoPro died on the way into the campground.
It did.
So
I was trying so hard to get it, and then I saw that it was at 1%. I was like, okay, I'm gonna turn it off. And then I'm gonna turn it back on right before we get there. It died.
yeah, these spots are tight.
Oh yeah, they are.
That's our neighbor's electric hookup.
And their water is
Here's our rig.
in our yard.
Yeah, the water is right by our picnic table. So interesting. So doing the level mate, just getting her level.
That's not gonna work. You guys want a little table?
There you go. We're level. So we pulled in. We didn't have to do any leveling side to side. It was 1/4 inch, and yeah, it kind of blinks a little bit as we move stuff around. So we're gonna go ahead and get the stabilizers down, and that's it. Moving day's over. There you go. All right, quick look at our site. It's our neighbor's hookups right here and our neighbor's water. Little tight, not much room for the van, but it's nice we've got a tree here so we kind of know exactly where our spot is. And then let's go look at the other side real quick. Other side, I mean, our neighbors, our hookups are right here. I mean, I feel like I'm stealing water from this guy because our water is like right in front of his rig. And then our electric and cable, sewer, I'll hook up, you know, in a day or two. We don't need it right now. So let's go inside and see what's going on. Whoa, I see Christmas.
I have been waiting to decorate since before Thanksgiving.
We weren't even like done unhooking
Shut
and
up.
setting up. And, wow. Okay, so we did the wreaths.
Yes.
We did those, what, a week ago?
About.
We had, the hooks were up there from last year. Let's kind of show. So we bought, it's like a little, just like a little craft
Mommy, what is this?
ring thing.
What is this?
And then we just added green things. We just stabbed them in. And then a red ribbon, hot glued on. And then on the back side, we have command hooks kind of upside down. And we just cut a little hole in the ribbon and kind of slide it over top. So they hang over the top. Looks really pretty. Okay, and then we've got wreaths over there. I need to put command hooks on the countertop here. So we'll run them here so they hang right above the fireplace.
Yep.
Got the little tree, which may or may not stay there. This, you notice our N is backwards. We were so excited to find that. We
Yes.
were, what, in Target?
We were at Target like
And we
5
saw
years
it.
ago.
It was like N fabric ornament. We were like, that's the best thing ever.
You want one too, Ben?
You want one, Ben?
Here you go. It says bite me. Fa la 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 la.
Wow.
It's a gingerbread man.
That's an edgy gingerbread man. What'd you do? You opened the bag from the bottom?
This one says Santa Donut Judge Me.
Wow.
These are a little,
We don't judge donuts.
spicy.
We don't judge donuts.
No.
What else? What else? Oh, I'm gonna hang.
And we have our wreath that's kind of like our nativity.
So we've got this pretty star. It's kind of like, it's like a star wreath. And we're gonna put it right up here.
Yes.
It's gonna look really good.
This is our advent calendar, and it's also our nativity scene. And it's each day the kids get to take one of the things and add it to the scene, and they can arrange everything wherever they want to, except for a few choice places.
And it's just Velcro, right?
Yeah, it's just Velcro.
So just little Velcro pieces on the back. That's one of the
Yeah,
camels.
little shepherds and
Just sticks on there. It's cute.
Mary, and
We've had this up for.
we've had this up since Tara was 1 or 2. Your dad gave us this.
Yeah. So we've had it for about 7 or 8 years now.
And it is one of our most prized Christmas possessions.
Yeah.
And so I knew that we were going to bring it with us. So it's up higher so Ben doesn't just come over and play with the pieces.
Yeah.
But it's low enough that he can participate if he wants to. So,
This is where our calendar normally goes.
yes.
That hook right there. So I got little battery operated string lights and added them to our normal plants. So they have a timer. So they'll come on. I think I turned them on around 5 o'clock.
And they went off around 11 last night.
Yeah,
so.
they have a 6-hour timer on them. So those will come on, but you can see the strand running through there.
We got those at IKEA, didn't we?
Yeah, the plants came from IKEA and the lights I grabbed at Aldi.
Yeah. And
Actually.
they're really short, so we knew that they would fit up here above the valances.
Yep. And then there's another tree. Oh, I wired that one.
Yeah, like I said, you took the batteries out of everything last Christmas so they
Right.
wouldn't get all corroded and stuff,
Yeah.
just sitting in storage.
So I just need to go through and re-battery everything.
re-battery everything. And that one fits there just fine.
Yep. So that one lives on the table. This one over here, we got sidetracked by the ornament.
Yes.
This one over here with our favorite ornament on. And that one, I've got lights on that one too, so I just need to put batteries in there.
Probably need to get another string of lights. I like them to be brighter, the real tree.
we'll
We'll
see.
put this one on the floor for Christmas
Yeah.
right there, because
I forgot that these had lights. So if they look weird, maybe the Aldi down here has the same lights as I got from
I
there.
like those.
Yeah.
Yes.
So if I can get the same ones, I'll just get like 4 or 5 of them and just have them.
We got outside stuff too, but I don't know if we're gonna be able to use some of it here just because of how
my
weird
Lord.
the site is.
It's so tight here.
Unless you're gonna outline where I park at night.
So that's it for moving day. Moving day is done.
Yes. And we're in
Decorating.
Florida.
We're in Florida.
We're like minutes from Disney.
Yeah.
So exciting.
Yep. So expect lots of Disney.
Yes.
Yeah, so we'll finish Christmas decorating. We'll get
Tonight,
batteries and the
tomorrow
lights and stuff, and we'll check back in on that. So I think that's it for this video.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you really would love to support us, check out our Patreon page. We would love to have you become part of the 5 to Go family and kind of see all of the behind the scenes of our daily life. You think we share everything with you, but we don't. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
I don't know what that was. Bye.